Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using the LitCommerce app. In this step, you'll learn how to preview and download your product feed to start using it effectively. Let's get started. After completing all setup steps, you'll see a preview of your product feed. Please note that only a maximum of 100 SKUs are shown in the preview. Before you can copy the feed URL, ensure the feed is activated in Step 2, Configure Feed Setting. Once activated, copy the feed URL, paste it into your web browser's search bar, and the file will download automatically. Downloading your feed lets you review all included items and verify they meet platform requirements before going live. And that's it. Your feed is now ready to use in LitCommerce. We're not done yet. Watch our next video to learn how to schedule and customize fields. Thanks for watching and happy selling!